And we are back at the bee spot. And you will notice that we have put in some pots of wildflowers. These are seeds that the, I think it's the 24th Cub Troop in Ottawa did for us over in December. And so what we've done is we've cut the bottoms off of the pots, sunk them directly into the ground, because there's a lot of invasive material that does come back in here, including poison ivy. Well, poison ivy is not invasive, but plants that we don't necessarily want, like a little bit more creeping bellflower, and I'll get to that in a second. But you can see our yarrows coming up, the goldenrods. This is a giant anise hyssop. And when you're here, you may also see these little bee boxes. So the University of Ottawa is doing some research on, I believe it's mason bees, but don't quote me, I will put the correct information into the description. So they came in and they have put in these little bee boxes in and around the bee spot. And the reason why they put them here is because this particular bee species is a specialist with bellflower. Now, this is creeping bellflower. Usually we would be getting rid of this because it is an invasive species. As you can see, it spreads quite a lot and it has gotten into the bee spot. But this year we left it alone so that the university can do its research. Now that particular bee can also go on native bellflowers, but unfortunately I don't think we have any of those. So research in progress. It's a trap nest and it's an artificial structure and it's used by solitary bees to raise their young. I won't read the whole thing. You can come down and read it for yourself. But yeah, we've got some researchers from the University of Ottawa doing this, and we would just ask that you just don't disturb the trap nests at all. Come down, take a look at them for sure, and maybe follow along. We're hoping that we will have a webinar probably early next year to discuss any results that might have come from this particular area. I think that's kind of exciting. I love it when research is done in Hampton Park. It really brings the place alive a little bit more. All right, so I'm going to be back to weeding today. A little bit more dog strangling vine. I just did about an hour's worth of Japanese knotweed, and I think that's in pretty good shape. But we could still use a hand down there getting rid of some of the smaller stuff. It does grow an inch a day, so I would like to do as much as we can before the end of June. Then it gets just too hot to really work in that area, and we can do it again come the fall. Alrighty, it's an absolutely gorgeous day. It's Tuesday, June 16th, I think, something like that. All right, all I know is it's property tax due date today. Happy tax day, everybody. Cheers.